don't do any stopping of that, so it will be fine. That screen. Okay. Start sharing. Once my screen is visible, please let me know. Visual.
Yeah, it is visible.
Oh my god, what is pasting? 1 second, 1 second. Okay. So I think everybody had in previous session we had discussed that's how application is running in the background, how the data is fetching from the UI side, and those things. So today we will start the first session of the HTML. Okay. So before that, just start the attendance. Amit, available? Okay. Approach. Do fast. Don't waste time in these all things. Approach.
Yes.
Okay. Vivekanand.
Yes.
Okay. Shivani. No. Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Aswin. Okay. Ravi. Okay. Shivani. Shivani Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ritvik.
Yes.
Navneet. Hemant. He is absent. Okay. Now Amit. Approach. Amit.
Hello.
Approach.
My name
Yeah.
is not there.
Yeah. 1 second. Just. Approach. Guys there. Okay. Amit is not there. Correct. Yeah. Amardeep. Actually, Amardeep is new joining, and he is working in TCS. I don't know the profile. Amit, you can introduce yourself for just 2 minutes, not much more. Amardeep, you can.
Oh, you are telling me. So I'm
Yeah.
working at TCS from last 2.5 years as a production support, and my designation is system engineer.
Okay, fine. And from where you are?
Bokaro Steel City,
Okay.
Jharkhand.
Okay, thank you. Where is that file? So everybody had done up to getting the folder in the VS Code. Am I right? Or anybody is pending still up to there? Anybody have any issue? Amardeep, actually in previous session, just we had gone with that basic intro of the VS Code. I think maybe you have the idea, correct? Or you want
Yeah.
me to, you have that idea, correct?
Little bit I have first revise for very fastly. You can revise it in 1 minute, then it will be good for me also.
Okay. Not an issue. Just give me 1 second. Training program. Yeah, this one. That came again. Okay, so Amardeep and remaining all, just one time I going to revise. So with the help of VS Code, this is file section. From here, we are getting many type of menu. Okay, like new file. With the help of that, also we can create new window. New window in the sense we can open this full screen in the new file. Both are same thing. Oh. Then open file for opening the file. Open folder. Suppose when we clicking open folder, this dashboard will open and we can select our folder. Got it? And then if you you can do two things. You can do one means double click on the folder, or another option is select the folder. Okay. So in both way, we can select our folder. So inside that there are different menus are there. So save as, that is for saving purpose. And then you can go with the workspace, means suppose you are doing many projects. So you can add those folder in the workspace. So it will be available there, but it will be in the different locations, but it will be available there as a one workspace. Okay. Then edit. Inside that, there are too much like copy, paste. That's just normal. These are not much more, just normal. Then again, section for copy, line up, this, that. These all not much more useful. Means mostly we are using this section only. Okay, maximum time. Next, this is file. Suppose if, yeah, now I had selected this folder. There is nothing inside this one. Okay, now I going to create one file. So how I will create? I can go this icon here. See this icon. Okay. See, sometimes what will happen? Suppose I selected this icon. My screen is proper or not?
Yes, it's proper.
Okay. So when suppose we had selected any folder, suppose we had selected here, and when we putting cursor over this anyone, maybe the name will be not come. Okay. Sometimes this is happening. So we are means getting irritated and we are not getting the proper solution for that. That whether this one is for creating new file or whether this one is for creating new file, which one. So what you can do, this one is selected. You can put cursor anywhere. Okay. I put it cursor outside anywhere, here anywhere. After that, just go means you have to put your mouse over that. So it will give you suggestion. This is new file. And this is for creating folder, new folder. This is for refresh. Sometime what will happen? There are too much files. So in that scenario, we are means this directory, it not going to refresh automatic. Okay. So in that case, just you have to select the folder and after that click the refresh. Okay. So whatever new file will be added here, it will go on refresh. Otherwise, many time it will get, but suppose not, then you can refresh. This is for just minimizing purpose, collapse. Okay. So now I'm going to create one file inside this folder. Suppose that here multiple folders. So on which folder you have to create, you have to select that one particularly. Two things is there. One by this way, otherwise by right click. When you're doing right click, you will get these all option, new file. Okay. So just you can click new file and give some name. Suppose I give an index dot. After that, we can go extension. Suppose that HTML or JavaScript or whatever. So we are going with HTML. We can write HTML. Now see, when you will write, see the why we are using editors. Editors is actually helping in intelligence. Okay. So it will auto detect and it will give you different types of color. Now see, this index.html file is there and you can see this logo. Okay. Now this is in orange color, something like that. When I will remove this extension .html, you will see the logo will be changed. Suppose that I writing JS. See, now this is JavaScript file. So the logo become JS. That is yellow color. If I writing something like TSA, this become TypeScript. Suppose that CSS, something different. So with the help of logo, we can identify easily whether that our file is correct or not. Got the point? So I going to create HTML. So after means writing that full whatever file name you want, after that just hit enter. It will create your file. Up to this, any issue? Amardeep, is it fine?
Yes, sir. No issue.
Okay. If anything like a speed or anything you want, just you can. Okay. Anyone. After that, now came to this section. So with the help of this, suppose that I have to create one folder and where inside this Kaushal is there. Inside that I want to create one folder. Just click that one, this second section, new folder. When you will click new, just to see where it's going. It gone here. Okay. Now how we can identify from here whether the file, this file is inside this folder or somewhere outside or like that. Just see this icon. Okay. Just click on this icon. Okay. See now this is outside because it had not overlap, means it not going to collapse that because index.html is inside this folder. That's why when we clicking on this icon, it going to hide that. See, it's fine or not? And when we clicking this, it's not going in, means this file test, this folder, this is not hidden. This is not going to be hide when we clicking on this part. Okay. Second thing, how we can suppose that I telling you just go in the index.html file in our file explorer. Everybody know what is file explorer?
Yes,
Or
sir.
okay, who don't know? Just let me know. File explorer. File explorer means this PC or C drive or E drive, whatever we have, this one we can tell simply. Okay, so this considers as file explorer. We can simply tell in mobile gallery or file manager, those things. So suppose that if you want to find out, means I told you to do something in this particular file. Okay, now it is complicated. Means suppose that I given you my laptop and I told you to just go and delete this file from the file explorer. Now it is complicated for you to find that particular file from this full directory. Am I right or not? So there is a simple solution for that. Just you have to put the cursor here. You can right click and see the option reveal in file explorer. Okay. And you have to just click this. When you will click, it will automatic, you will came in the file location. Up to this is clear or anybody have doubt? Tell me.
It is clear.
Okay.
It is clear. It's clear.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next. Then what about this file? Test means folder where this is actually. So what we can do? One thing we know from here that index.html is inside this folder. Okay. So this is inside this file. Go one step back and you will find out that file. Okay. Now suppose that we are in this file, means this folder, and we are on our VS Code. If you want to open this folder directly, just do the same step. Click this and reveal in file explorer. Okay, you will be inside, means this file. Means whatever file will be available here, it will be present, and we will directly jump to that particular file. Same type, suppose that I not want to go with this file. I want to go in the folder, means folder name only. Just right click and reveal in file explorer. Now see, we are in the folder, not in the file. Up to this, any issue, just tell.
No, sir.
Okay, just 1 second. I getting one call. Hello. Yeah. So with the help of that editor, we can directly, that video is recording or it get stopped? Okay, it is. So with the help,
Good evening.
yeah, good evening. Okay, so with the help of VS Code, how we can move on the particular file, means inside File Explorer, we can got the point, correct? Or anybody have still any doubt? If anybody have doubt, just let me know. Who had joined late? I think Shivani, you had joined just now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just I giving 1 minute. See, with the help of this folder, we can go directly, means if we have to find out where this folder is and what about this file. So with the help of this VS Code, directly we can jump into our folder or file, whatever we want. So what we can do, we can just right click, means first
Yes,
you have to select that particular. Okay, so we
Yes,
selected this folder, and after that just do right click, and after you getting here option reveal in file explorer. Okay,
Yes,
so just a click
sir.
and you will jump directly into that folder. Okay, and after that we will just double click and we will get our file which is present inside that particular folder. Up to this fine? Okay, so next, this is searching area. So one thing more, if suppose we had not saved after doing anything, so bullet sign will be available here. Okay, and here it will come 1. because that particular file not get saved. So when we will do Control S as shortcut for the saving purpose. So when we will do Control S, bullet sign will gone and this numbering will also gone. This is the so with the help of this way, we can find out whether our file is saved or not, because many times we are doing mistake while doing UI part. So we had make any changes on the our HTML page or CSS, but that changes not reflecting in our UI. So due to that, because we not saved and we are trying to get that changes on the browser, so that become the complicated, that become the problem. So we have to take care whether numbering should not be here. Okay, next. This is searching area. So with the help of this, we can go globally search. Means suppose some text is there, and with the help of this, we can search globally. This is common when means in the upcoming session, we can use this all too much. This is our source control. Source control in the sense GitHub, which I had told to everybody to accept that access and create the account. So when you will make any changes in any file, it will be come here. Okay, it going to compare with your main branch. Main branch in the sense I showing one thing like that. Anybody is absent here and everything fine for this attendance, or anybody missing? Ravi? Not here. Okay. Amit? Hemant is not. Okay. Let it away this. Okay. So with the help of this, we can verify our changes. So if we had deleted any file, that will also come here. If we make any changes, that will also come here. So everything will be here. With the help of this, we can verify means our main branch. Okay. Next, with the help of this is for the run and debugging purpose. When you will do the JavaScript side or different languages. So with the help of here, we can go for the debugging. This is for extension. With the help of this, we can install, as previously everybody had installed HTML. Now do one thing, everybody just search git lens here. Okay, and install that git lens. This one. Install this git lens in all laptop. Everybody listening or sleeping?
We are listening.
Hello. Okay. Just who all are on laptop, just please install this git lens. Search here and you will get that. You can install this particular file. Next, what is this project? No read git lens. That after installation SQL Server. Okay. So this is after that. If suppose we reached here, now we don't know where is our file. Suppose that confused. So just go in the top section, Explorer, and click this.
Sir, before you told that you have extension, HTML extension, what was that?
Yeah. Okay. One second. Just search HTML. Go with anyone. Take this.
Okay.
I have this already installed actually. Otherwise, you can take anyone. This will support both HTML and CSS in both cases.
Sir, after HTML?
Git lens.
Okay, sir.
GitLens. Git lens. It will help you in find the culprit. Culprit in the sense, suppose you working in your code and somebody had done any changes. So with the help of git lens, we can find out who had done the changes. In the company also, in the enterprise level, they are using the same thing. With the help of that, because in the production time, if suppose we had done any mistake, everybody telling I had not done, that's it. But with the help of git lens, anybody can find out who had done and in which month, what changes he had done, everything. So after that, you have to do one more thing. You have to click here on the bottom. Here, is it visible? This section, main bottom.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, it is visible.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Ashwin.
Yeah.
Sir, I can't see nothing. Sir, I am present at this time. I'm coming at this time.
Okay, just do one thing, just rejoin.
Hello. What should I do? I'm connecting, but I can't see any pictures. Do you teach us on
Is
slide?
it for 1 second? Is it visible for all or for him only the issue or for all?
No,
I'm
sir, it is
not-
visible.
I'm not visible.
See, maybe network issue. I can't do anything in that situation. Just wait for few minutes. It will maybe network lagging, so it will come. So now see, when we clicking on main, okay, everyone just click on this main. After clicking, just enter your name. Okay, enter your name and create a new branch.
So what should I do now, sir?
Answer is not coming. So menu is not coming. Menu.
Main is not coming.
No.
Okay, okay, no issue. I will tell later. I think Git, you had not taken that repository. That's why. Left that. Who is on unmute?
Hello.
Yeah, Aswin, see, I can't do
Yeah.
anything in that situation. I can't do anything. Actually, you had joined.
The man is not showing.
Okay, no issue. I will tell. Left. Aswin, you already joined late and I can't stop in the middle and I can't help in that situation. Okay. So please, you have to join at least on the time or before 5 minutes at least. In the middle, I can't do anything. Not an issue. Video recording will be there. You can follow up that one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. No issue.
Where I see recording?
I will tell you later. You can mute. No issue. Now see. So, okay, main is not there. Okay, okay, where is that file? See, I showing you the step how you have to get that repository. Everybody open just a GitHub. This one. For today, just I will spend time in the creating that repository and getting that. Okay. From tomorrow or just now itself, I will try to cover somewhat topics.
GitHub or GitHub desktop?
No, GitHub. Go in the Chrome browser and search github.com. Search it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 second. Can anyone share your screen? I will look over that. That will be fine. I stopped my share. Where is that? Stop sharing. Yeah. Share your screen. Anyone?
Sir, can I share?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah. Is it? Yeah, that's fine. Go in that github.com.
Yes, sir.
Log in the account.
Enter my
Sign
email
in.
ID.
No, sign in or sign up. There, top right side. Sign in or sign up. I don't know, whatever.
Yes.
No need to this one. Already, see, sign in option should be there. Already you have an account. I had given today that is repository. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone just log in into that. Yeah, sign in that one.
Sir, wait.
Okay. It want verification. Okay. Check your mail ID. Verification is gone there. Enter the code.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Enter that code.
Sir, phones.
Everybody just login into that. Now click that left side one Kausal Kumar 8459 training. Yeah, click that one. Click that link. Everybody up to this or anybody is behind up to here? Anybody is behind? Just let me know. Everybody up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means nobody is behind. Correct? Okay. Now Shivani, just click on the code, green button.
Yes, sir.
Nearby one icon is there. Yeah. Now open with GitHub desktop. Click that. Bottom. Yeah. Everybody just follow the same step. Just wait. Let it to be open. Download. You had not downloaded that. Okay, click that download.
Yes, sir.
If you had not downloaded, then you will get this option. If you have, it will give you pop-up alert warning regarding the download purpose.
Sir, actually,
Anybody?
I was in.
Okay. Anybody had
Yeah.
downloaded and moved into the repository?
I downloaded, but how to share?
Okay. Can you share your screen? Meanwhile, Shivani will download that one. Whose hand is raising? Ravi Kumar. Ravi. Whose screen is this one? Okay, Vivekanand. Okay, go on that repository. Show me GitHub desktop.
The
Yeah.
GitHub, this one.
Okay, wait. No. Go on click green color. Code.
Code.
Arrow symbol. Open with GitHub desktop. Second option. Yeah, click that. Just wait. Open GitHub desktop. No need to check box anything. Yeah, click that. Open GitHub desktop. Yeah, click that. Just wait. It launching. Just wait. Hold on. No, don't do anything. Up to this, everybody have done or anybody pending?
Yeah, I am pending. Please, can you pardon it again?
Actually, share your screen. It can't possible to go back. Vivekanand, don't do anything up to just same. Okay, no need to do anything. And who is not up to this screen, just share your screen. Ritvik, I think you correct.
Yeah. I am sharing my screen.
Okay. Vivekanand, you can stop your sharing. After that, we will move in the next. Fast. Amardeep, you done that one?
Yes, I've done that time only.
My screen is visible?
Afternoon only.
Yeah. Okay, Amardeep. Yeah, it's visible. Go in that.
Yeah,
Open the link. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Click on green color code. Code.
Okay.
Top. Yeah. Go open with GitHub desktop. Second option. Go down. Yeah. Click that. Just wait. Okay. Your download is pending. Click that download. Okay. Let to be download. Anyone who is in the next or up to that level? Shivani, your downloaded completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, both are on the same stage, no issue. What about other guys? Who is that? Let me check. Ravi, Abhishek, Amardeep, Ashwin. Okay, that. Okay. Afroj, what about you? Afroj? Samir? Roshan?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I reached that your link, na. Your link coming.
Okay.
I reached over there.
Okay, fine. Thank you. What about Roshan? Roshan, please unmute fast. This is 7 o'clock. Don't sleep now.
From where I need to go?
Yeah, just 1 second. GitHub.com. Yeah, sign in GitHub.com. Just 1 second. Shivani, you also have to follow the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give that in email ID and password. Those steps. Same by which you had created GitHub. What about other guys? Nobody is responding. Vivekanand, what about you? Okay, you done up to that. Okay, fine.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Shivani Kumari, what about you?
Sir, my password is not required.
Password is not required. Oh, it's not accepting your password, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do one thing, share your screen. Meanwhile,
Yeah,
you
I'll
can do one thing. When suppose password and user ID, just try to save. Many times we are not remembering those things. We getting forget. So it will be better if we are saving those things. Yeah, Shivani, you can share your screen.
Right, sir.
Ritvik, I think you can mute, no issue.
Yes, sir.
No, sound is stopped. What about Shivani? Are you going to share a screen? Afroj, what about you? Shivani or Afroj?
But this is not shared. Screen.
Okay, download, okay. Confirm, switch easily, okay, no issue. Okay, authorize desktop, click that. Open. Just wait. Yeah, give that email ID. Is this your email ID? Okay, finish. Click on finish. Okay. Clone, no, 1 second. Create a new repository on your drive, create map. Click that, your repository, right side. Right side. Yeah, click that. Training. Search area is there below of that. Okay, 1 second. Wait. Cancel this. Close this one. Yeah. Open github.com again. Go with first. Yeah, open the first link. Yeah, click that. Now enter the code. What about this? This is Ritvik. Who is going to share this screen? Ritvik or Shivani?
Sir, my screen is also.
Ritvik is sharing.
Who is sharing this screen?
Ritvik.
Okay, okay. Okay,
I
just
don't have any
do
code right.
check.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Shivani, what about you?
Sir, what to do next?
Share your screen. Because now a screen is of Ritvik.
Sir, my screen is also sharing.
Wait a minute. When I remove
Yes, sir, it's
stop
like
sharing, then you will to share. Let me stop my sharing. Yeah, okay.
Minimize that screen.
my
Skype
screen is
link.
sharing or not?
Yeah. Somebody just screen is visual. I don't know who just screen is this one. Just minimize that Skype. Right side, just minimize the Skype. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Minimize that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now click on select your that email ID and finish. The GitHub account name and email ID. Okay. Select your email ID.
Yes, sir.
Wait, now it's fine. Your repository, right side. Filter your repository, below of that, your repository. And below of that, click that one time. Below. I think you have slow network issue actually.
No, sir.
Okay, Shivani. Now go that clone. Clone button is there in the bottom. Ritvik, I think you will also get the same screen.
Yeah, I'm getting
Yeah.
the same screen, but
Yeah, you have to select that your repository and you have to click that below clone. Now just wait up to here. Okay, I think now everybody up to this screen. Vivekanand also was on the same screen. Just confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody, I think now
Yes,
see
sir.
what you have to do. Okay, so see there are two area. One is on that training.git last file and second is local path where this will be your local directory. So you can select your location from your system. You can click choose.
Your
Click
voice
on
is
the,
breaking, sir. Sir, your voice is breaking.
is it for all? Now it's fine.
It's fine, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Don't click anything. Now, okay. Click on choose button. Click on that button. Yeah. Now we can select our folder where everybody had created that folder. Everybody created on the desktop. So click that desktop. Left side. Yeah. Click that desktop. Select your folder. If no folder is there, you can create. Create means a new folder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do one thing. HTML1 folder is there. You can select that. Yeah, double click that one. And after that, just select. Click on the select button, bottom. 1 second. Already exist. Do you want to? Yeah, click on yes, replace.
You have to select folder or index, the index file, sir.
Index.
Index.
Local, but this is already a file with the name. Okay, change. Make one folder. That will be better. I think some issue is going there. Click on choose file. Choose button. Choose. On desktop, just make one new file, new folder. Just folder. No any file required. Just folder.
Yes.
Now
Folder is
click on.
created.
Okay. After that, click on clone. After that, click on clone. Now it will take some time, not more, just maybe 1 second. That's it. Yeah.
Kaushal sir.
Yeah.
Kaushal sir.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Tell.
Actually, I have to create a new file, and on that
Okay.
file I will select over there now.
No need to create any file. Just you have to create folder. What I telling?
Okay, okay. I created one folder, and I have to select that path now.
Yeah. That's I telling. Just create a folder, and that's it. Okay. Samir, you can mute. Do one thing. Go to desktop. Whoever is sharing a screen, just go on desktop. Window D. Press Window D button. Yeah, minimize that. Now click that folder, GitHub, which you created just now. Folder, which GitHub folder. Yeah. Now click that index.html. What is that? Now click that. Okay. Yeah. That file is available now. Now you can open your VS Code. And just close this folder. No need of this folder. Yeah, close that folder. Permanent, no issue. Now open VS Code. VS Code, blue color, not this one. Close
Yes,
this
sir.
also. Close GitHub also. Now maximize this one.
Yes, sir.
Go on the first file. Repository, not file. Means left side icon. Yeah, that.
Mommy.
One
Yes,
second. No repository came. Go on the extension of that Git. Third one. Third.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that one.
Sir, that will not come like that, sir. We have to open that folder where the repository has been created through VS Code.
Okay.
Go to the
Yeah. Now you can go on the file. Go on file. Click file icon. Go on the folder. Open folder. Click file. Open folder. Yeah. Now select that GitHub. Double click. No, don't select. Double click. Open. Again open. Again go inside. Now select. Click on the select folder. Yeah, select that. Select folder. Just wait. I think now it have to come. Yeah, now its main came in the bottom. So what about others? Everybody got up to this? Or Shivani, just wait 1 second. Just wait. So what about others? Anybody is up? Everybody up to there, or anybody want any help?
we are up to there.
Okay, so I think everybody correct. Okay.
No.
So yeah, Vivekanand. Okay, share your screen, Vivekanand. Shivani, meanwhile you can do one thing. Click on main. Vivekanand, you can share your screen. Give your name here there. But to Shivani is there, so you can give like 1 or 2 something, and then create a, I think, a branch. Some name will come there. What name is coming? Yeah, create a new branch. Shivani, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just click that and select. Yeah, Vivekanand, share your screen. Yeah, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Listen.
okay, whose screen is this one? Whose
Can I
screen this?
stop screen sharing?
Whose screen is now actually? I don't know. Wait 1 second. Whoever is sharing, just stop that. Okay, now share. 1 second. Shivani, you're done. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vivekanand, you're pending. Okay, share the screen. Vivekanand, do fast. Okay. Go in that folder where you clone the repository. Okay, click that. Okay. Oh, this file you had cloned, but how? No. Go back. Click on that. Okay, 1 second. No, this is not the clone folder. Go in that github.com on the websites. github.com websites. Yeah. Click on the code. Do one thing. Close the icon of that Skype. Right side. Right side icon. Yeah. Close that one. Okay. Minimize. Yeah. Okay. Click on the code. Code. COD green color. Yeah. Second option. Second option. Open with GitHub desktop. Click that. Open with GitHub. Yeah. Click. Just wait. Who else had not completed up to here? Please. You can follow up the same thing. Where you had created the repository. 1 second. Training is there. Main branch. Okay. Vivekanand, do one thing. Left side current repository training is written there. Okay. Click that icon.
Sir, no need to that, sir. He can click on it in a file, show in Explorer. The folder will open.
Yeah. Here we can go with that. So check the file path. Click on the. Just put cursor there on the training. Yeah. No. Click on. Just go on the. Put cursor there. Just training folder below one. Yeah. Just wait. Check that file and go on that file. Document GitHub training. Open that file. In the C drive user. Go in C drive. C drive. Document. Users. Document. Okay. Vivek. Yeah. Click that. Document. Third, fourth. GitHub. Training. Yeah. This file you have to select. Do one thing. Copy that path from top. Kaushal Kumar. After that, put cursor. Yeah. Put the cursor. Control C. Open VS Code. Now open VS Code. Click on file. Left side file. Top icon. Yeah. Click that. New folder. Open folder. Sorry. Yeah. Click that. Now top. Go in the top. F folder. Top icon. Search bar is there. This PC is next. As we had copied the file, just nearby. Yeah. Just Control V. Paste there. Enter. Hit enter. Now select this folder. Select folder. Just wait. Yeah. Yes. Trusted. Click on that. Now it came main. Now click on the main. Bottom. Left side bottom. Click on main. Left side bottom. Give your name. And click on create new branch. You can stop after that. So I think everybody had done up to this. Am I correct? Anybody is?
Yes, sir.
Issue? Okay. So we not done anything. Anybody have to means anybody have duty or are everybody free or anybody have work? Let me know first. Hello.
Yes, sir. Free.
So yeah. So Amardeep, you have any work now?
No, sir. I have completed.
At least suppose if I can move up to like 15 or 20 minutes. So anybody have any issue?
No, sir.
Okay, for you, no issue. Others? Samir, you have any issue?
No, I don't have any issue.
Okay, Vivekanand,
No, sir.
you have any issue?
Oh,
Okay, no issue. Then, so I think everybody had created their own repository, correct? So now what we will do, we will Okay, Vivek is there. Okay, just do. Vivekanand, stop your sharing. Now we have to publish our repository actually. Okay, means not repository, branch. So I will discuss just regarding the GitHub. What are the things and what are the scenario is going behind that and how we are performing that task. I sharing my screen. Just wait. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So suppose that whatever file is available there, na, just you can delete and you can create your own file. Okay. Just I going to delete and now everyone just add a new file from your side. I going to everyone just to follow the same thing. Okay. So index.html. So now we had created this branch. Okay. So how we will now if you will go on GitHub, not this one. Now, if you will see here, then only one branch is there. Okay, that is main branch. After refreshing also only one thing is coming, main branch. And here also it's showing main branch. So now everybody have their own branch. What everybody will do, everybody will push this code. How we will pushing? Now see, just in HTML, how I had told it to write HTML full structure. Just we will click this and we will select this HTML5. Okay, and after that hit enter. So HTML structure will be automatic created there. Up to this, everybody had done or anybody want any help? If anybody want any help, please tell me. I think everybody
Yes,
fine. Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. I want help.
Yeah, tell. You
Sir,
can share your
sir.
screen. You
Okay,
can
sir.
share your.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Hello.
Me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Create that file. No, that is not correct because see one thing for
Yes, sir.
everyone. Just be conscious. When we creating the file means when you writing anything, suddenly that icon will be changed. So do one thing, whatever file you had created, just save. First click on save, Control S. See, always try to use shortcut. So it will be make you speed up. Now
Yes, sir.
delete that file, whatever you had. Index.html.txt, just delete. You can press the delete button. Yeah, move to recycle bin.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to create your file. How you will create? Click on the create file icon. Yeah, click that.
Yes, sir.
Just give index.html. .html. See, when you start writing the extension, automatic color getting changed. Hit enter. So HTML file means that orange color less than and greater than symbol will come.
Okay, sir.
HTML5. HTML5.
Yes.
Second one, not
Oh,
this
sorry.
one. Just Control Z. Control Z. Control a space. Yeah.
Yes,
Second.
sir.
Okay. So I think up to this, everybody have done, or anybody want any help in up to this?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So next, I'm going to tell you somewhat shortcut regarding the VS Code. So it will be make you help while writing the code. Suppose that you have to copy some area. Okay. Suppose that line number.
Sir, can I stop sharing my screen?
Just 1 second.
Okay.
Suppose that I have to copy. Okay. Or suppose that you have line number 7. Okay. And line number 7 you have to copy. Then what you will do? You will select that full line. Am I right? But
Yes,
in
sir.
VS Code, no need to select that full line. Just put cursor anywhere, starting, middle, or last, anywhere you can put cursor and just press Control C. Means whatever line you want to copy, just put cursor there and press Control C. Suppose line number 7, put cursor on line number 7.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
just press Control C. And after Control C, suppose that you want to paste that section in the body area. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just put your cursor there in the body section and press just Control V.
Yes, sir.
What are you getting? Same thing, it get pasted there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Means this is the shortcut. So no need to select that full area. Okay. Suppose
Okay, sir.
now you can do Control Z. No need to write title there. Just Control Z.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the shortcut for selecting the file. So no need to select from there to there. Suppose that now second shortcut means not shortcut, that will be common for all. Second, if suppose and same thing, copy and cut. Same thing will be possible in the same scenario. Suppose line number 7, you have to cut from there. You can do just press cursor there, put cursor on the line number 7 anywhere and Control X. Control X. That's
Yes.
get. Okay. Control Z. Now second thing. Suppose that you have Control Z. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now next, suppose you have to select line number 4 to line number 7. Okay. What you will do? You will put cursor from there and you will swipe down. Correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
don't do that. Put cursor line number 4 starting.
Yes, sir.
Put cursor line number 4 starting. Starting
Okay, sir.
before meter. Now
Yes.
you have to press Control button of keyboard. Press
Yes.
Control button and put your cursor wherever you want to copy. Means suppose line number 7. Put cursor in the last of line number 7. But don't left Control button. Control button should be pressed.
Yes, sir.
I think you had left that Control
No,
button.
sir.
But where it got selected?
Sir, again I'm doing. Is it right?
1 second. Why it's not getting? Okay. Left that control. Press that shift button. Shift. Sorry. Go line number 4.
Yes, sir.
And press the shift button and put the last wherever you want to copy up to that line. Yeah. Now this much line got selected. Got my point? One more time, I going to revise
Yes.
that one. If you have to cut or copy, no need to select that full area. Just put cursor anywhere. You will get, just press Control C. You can able to copy or cut that particular line in which you had placed the cursor. Up to this, it's fine, or anybody have doubt for this copy? No need to, because I not want anyone to select that full line from with the help of that mouse and then you have to do not like that. I not want to see that thing actually. That's why I telling. So for copy purpose, just put cursor, Control C, that's it. Wherever you want, Control V. This one clear for all, or anybody have any issue?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Okay. Second option. Suppose that you have to select multiple line. What you will do? You will just put cursor on the top, means a starting line, whatever you want. And from there, just press the shift button and keep cursor in the last, up to which line you want to select. Okay, this much line got selected, and next just Control C and Control V, wherever you want. Okay. Next, I think everybody had created this HTML document and everybody had created the branch. Am I right? Or anybody is pending still? Up to this, everybody had done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to publish our branch. What you will do? See in the bottom, Shivani Sinha is written there and nearby one icon is there. Yeah, click that icon. That going to publish your branch. Everybody just do the same thing. And now it asking then sign in with the browser. Click on sign in with the browser. Yeah. If suppose that asking, then you can go with the browser. Now you can select a authorized credential manager or whatever. What is this? Authentication. Okay. Now go GitHub. Sorry, VS Code. Now go on VS Code.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your code is git fetched. Okay. Okay. Now this branch. Just save the code. Right side, save that. Your file is not saved. Okay. Now, okay. Everybody had published your branch or anybody is pending?
Still, I'm in pending.
Why?
Actually, I tried, but I'm not getting that result.
Okay. So any more? Who is pending? Just let me know.
It is in the process. It will be done.
Okay. Okay. Because I getting two branch. One branch is of Shivani. Okay. You have to follow the same process. Shivani, you can stop your sharing. As you will publish your branch, I will get that branch here.
Okay, sir.
See, you can look over my screen. When you pressing that branch publish, you will get. Now Vivek is there. Okay, I got the Vivekanand branch. Do fast. Now which branch is coming? Nobody. Okay. Because these are just a common step, but if we will not follow this, then these all are time taking. That's why. In the starting, if we will spend time on this, it's fine. Otherwise, in middle, we have to discuss the same thing.
How can we see, sir, URL uploaded?
What?
URL uploaded, how can we see? Where we can't see?
No, you can't see. I think you do one thing. I don't know whether you can see or not. Open your github.com on the browser and share anybody your screen. Let me stop my screen. Okay, share anyone who had published your branch. Which branch now? Nobody is. What others are doing? Okay, go github.com. Click on training. Now see 3 branches it's showing. Click on the 3 branches. Top. Yeah, click that. Now see Vivek is there, Shivani is there. That's only 2 branches there. When you will refresh, you will get that. Click on training again. Training. Click on training. Yeah, click on main below of the left side of 3 branch. Left side of 3 branch. Yeah. Now see only 2 branches are there. Shivani and Vivek. I want others also. Whatever branch will be, it will be available there. You can click on view all branch.
Yeah, only 2.
Yeah, that's both are same actually. I want everybody's branch today up to here. So from tomorrow onwards, we can proceed in the next step. Otherwise, taking remote and doing these all time pass things, that's getting complicated. With the help of actually Git, we can just manage the code. And there is no need to take the remote for a coding purpose. We can do from here directly. Okay, I have to go one by one. I think nobody is speaking. Vivekanand, you can stop sharing. Okay, Amardeep, what about you? Had you published?
No, it's I'm showing. It's just rotating and connecting like that.
Okay. Means you are on the way, correct?
Yeah, I can
you
share
want
my
any?
screen.
Okay,
See,
you want any help in that one?
Yeah, it's like this only.
Just wait. Click on that.
Nothing is happening.
Okay. Just do one thing. Close the VS Code.
Okay.
Tell him to open the Chrome browser. Say it automatically come on there.
Amardeep, can you mute on the second device?
No, I am confused.
I don't know. Then maybe with a screen or anything.
Yes, now okay. Now echo is not coming.
Wait. That will come. It's taking time while refreshing some time. Yeah, and one thing, it will not come directly. Don't think that it will come directly. Okay, when you opening VS Code, it will take time in getting that main or whatever branch you have. So don't be panic that it will come within seconds. Give your credential. Actually, it's taking time because it have to load all the extension whatever we had installed in our VS Code. That's why it's taking time in fetching that. Hello, yeah. Continue. Just wait. Let it to be continue. Don't worry. Yeah, open.
Yeah, that's only not getting opened.
Oh, I think some issue happened. Okay. Open GitHub desktop.
I think it got synced. Can you check?
Okay, let me. Yeah, Amardeep, I got. Yeah. What about others? Samir. Roshan.
Hello?
Yeah.
Actually, sir, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, actually, I came
Where
over.
you getting?
Yeah, I came over here.
Wait 1 second. Don't come here. I will go there. Don't worry. Show me the folder and VS Code first.
It was around 174.
Yeah. This is
You had
VS.
already. No, 1 second. Go to GitHub desktop. Open GitHub desktop. Cancel this. Cancel. You had selected. See, that's I telling everybody. You all are selecting any folder. Vivekananda had also done the same thing. He had also selected document folder. You can select any desired folder. Don't go that much deep. Click on choose because later you can't change that. That will become difficult. Go on desktop. Create one folder here. Make one folder or select any one folder. Yeah, select that. And now click on select. I think maybe it will not. Do one thing. Go on. Cancel first this one and delete that folder which is available on desktop. Delete that. Yeah, delete that folder. See, always try to use the shortcuts.
Okay.
No, wait. Cancel. Cancel this icon. This also. Yeah, cancel that. Don't cancel this one. Yeah, delete that folder.
Okay. I will do this.
Delete that folder. Yeah, try again. I think somewhere this folder is open. Okay, VS Code. Click that. Close the VS Code.
I will do that and I will post this.
Yeah. Now open that. Show me that folder.
Yeah, I will text you.
Open that folder.
Yeah, thank you.
On
Bye.
desktop, just click that folder. Open Kausal. Delete this. I don't know how you had a clone this one. Delete this folder. Not file. Folder. Full complete folder. Yeah, delete. That's now open VS Code. That's why I was telling one by one steps, but I don't know. Others are sleeping. Now click on open folder. Open folder anywhere. Some shortcut is also there. Yeah, open folder. Yeah, click that. Now go on desktop. Click on desktop. Oh my God. From there itself, you can click on desktop. From VS Code. Yeah, click the VS Code. Go on desktop left side. Yeah, make the folder here. New folder button is the okay. Nice. Click any folder. Give any name. Don't give that type of name. You have to give proper.
So HTML, I have to give a name.
Okay,
Yeah.
whatever.
Okay.
Okay, now select folder. Now select. Wait. Now you have to clone your repository. Go on GitHub desktop. GitHub desktop. Check that. Click on training. The right side. Training. First one. Yeah. Kaushal Kumar 8459/training. Click that one. Yeah, clone. I don't know how you had clone. Now choose the folder. Yeah, click that. Now select from desktop. Click the file HTML. Double click. Yeah, now select that. Yeah, clone. Now see in bottom main came. Just wait, let it to be cloned properly. Just wait. It not completed. Okay. Do one thing. Close the desktop. GitHub desktop. You can close. Now click on main bottom. Give your name. Click on create new branch.
Hello.
Now click on publish nearby Samir. Second icon. Yeah, click that. Publish branch. Just wait. Let it to be published. It will take somewhat time. Once that rotating icon will stop, means your it get published. Okay, it get fine. So what about others? Samir, you can mute and you can stop sharing. Vivek, Shivani, Samir, Amardeep. 4 branches I got. Okay. So what about others? Others, Shivani is there. What about Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Because see, one thing. Tomorrow I'm not going to repeat this same steps that I will tell. Because already I crossing that time. But I want to complete creating up to branch. That's it. Tomorrow I will start from the topic directly. Yeah, Shivani, had you done?
Oh, sir, it's pending.
Amardeep, you have any work or anything not now?
No.
Okay. So can I extend somewhat? It's
Yeah,
fine for you.
you can extend.
Okay. Thank you. So Shivani, had you done?
No, sir, it's pending.
Pending. Share your screen. And who all had created means who had that means somewhat issue. Just go through that means whatever we are doing again and again. Okay. So it will be better for you. Because same thing you have to when you're going to do again. If I will tell you to create the new branch and clone the repository, it become complicated. So try to do that practice. Shivani, are you sharing a screen?
Sir, my screen not sharing.
Why you can share?
I don't know.
Okay. See how you don't know how to share, correct?
No, sir, I share a screen, but this is not sharing.
Okay. 1 second. What you getting any error?
No, sir.
So just click that below button is there, na share a screen. Click that.
But not option of share.
Okay. So are you using web or desktop application? Means you had installed that Skype in your system, or you are using from the Chrome browser?
Skype.
No, that's a Skype. That's okay. Means are you using from the system? Means
Skype is in her system.
one second. मीन्स वो स्काइप को इंस्टॉल की हुई है या फिर वो ब्राउजर से काम चल रहा है उसका?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Skype है.
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है? शेयर नहीं हो रहा है उसमें?
No, sir.
ये क्या हो गया? ठीक है, ब्रांच क्रिएट करने में क्या इशू आ रहा है?
सर वो एक्चुअली वो git have not installed मैं. So.
Oh, okay. So you can just can you do that later also?
Sir,
Or
but
I will explain her.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can do one thing. Shivani, you can explain that other Shivani.
Yes, sir.
If any
Yes.
issue, then just let me.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So I can help. So see now. So whatever, suppose that. One second. Where is my screen? I will not take more time. Just. So now I got this 4 branch. So what we have to do now from today onwards, means from tomorrow onwards, we going to do our coding on our branch, not any other in the sense main, because the main branch is there, that is master. Okay, so we not going to do our coding on main branch. We will always do coding on our branch. So be careful here the name. Okay, your name should be there. It not should be main or any others. So I going to tell you one command. Git means suppose that just I will tell 2 command. Okay, that's it. So now what you can do, you can click this terminal button. Okay, right click this terminal and new terminal. Up to this you can. So with the help of this, what will happen? We will be in our file location. Now see in the training. Okay, this is in the training actually. So we have to move into our folder in the sense this Kausal. So what we will do, we will move it. How to go in that folder? You have to write cd, change directory. Cd shortcut is for the change directory, and we have to give that file name. Suppose that we don't know what are the files and folders are available, just press tab button. Okay, so whatever folder will be there, it will automatically reflect. Okay, see, as we are getting 2 things, Git and Kausal, 2 things are there. So we can go in this file. Okay, but always we have to care our location, this terminal location should be in the Git folder, means where the Git is there. See this one. So our location should be up to this, not inside. So we moved 1 step extra, means now we are in this folder. So we have to go 1 step back. How we will go? cd, change directory. For going back, just put a double dot. Okay, we will move 1 step back. Any dot in this one? For going 1 step up, we have to write cd. For coming 1 step back, we have to write cd. But for coming back, we have to write cd dot 2 time dot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And for going next, we have to just see whenever you are attending the class, just try to keep pen and papers. So whatever any extra things are there, just you can note down. So for going 1 step more in the sense cd, and we can and put a space, and after a space you can press tab button. Okay, so we will go in that. Now what we will do, suppose that whatever branches are there, we want to see that those all branches, just we have to give command for git all command. Git should be there. Okay, git, and just give pull. Okay, pull means pulling towards ourselves. Just after that, click hint, means you have to click that enter button. After that, just wait for few seconds. But one thing, if we are not in our proper branch, we will be not, means this full command, it not going to execute. It will give you error. I showing you that error also. Now see how much branches I got. I got this much branches. Okay. Previously, when I was clicking this one causal, then I was getting only main. Now I will get all these branches. See, Amardeep, Samir, Shivani, main, Vivek. Now suppose that Shivani going to make any changes in her folder and means her file, and when she will push the code, then I can easily verify. Anybody can take that. So how? So first step, how to get that branch or how to get the latest code from the master branch means a git pull. For git pull, any dot anybody have, just tell me.
No,
Git
sir.
pull. Okay, so first command you can write. Okay, do one thing. Make here one file. Just you can write note. Notes dot yeah.
In new terminal, what we also should write now cd space tab. This come our name or causal.
Yeah. That name will come. See, I writing here cd. Okay, cd means change directory.
Okay.
Change directory, and after that, if you will press a tab button, okay, tab, then what will happen? Then we will get all folder plus file. Okay, where which is available in that particular. Suppose a spelling mistake, just take care. PICULAR particular folder. Okay. Just wait. Yeah, this one. Now see the first step. CD, because these are the basics command. You have to learn, not the programming is the main thing. So CD means change directory. When you will press CD, means any file. Suppose that we are here, okay, and we click the CD and press tab button, we will get this folder. If you pressing and after, suppose I have to move in Kausal Kumar folder, just press enter. Now again CD, okay, and press tab, nothing is coming. Means no folder or no file is there. But I will show one thing. Suppose inside this, I created one file. Just give any name sample.txt. Okay. Now see, one file came here sample.txt, and here also we will get CD and press tab. It not reflect. It not get a refresh. That's why. Just click refresh and try now. CD space. No, not coming. Go back. Then CD. Okay. CD. What happened? It's not coming. I don't know what happened. It's not refreshed actually. That's why. So in this way, we can change a directory from one to another. Second, if we have to go back, for going back, what we had done? Can anybody tell? For going back means a previous folder. How we had done?
CD space double dot.
No need to a space. You can press that just a dot. Okay. I will write here that full CD and DOUBLE double dot. Okay, double dot. What is the use of this one? How many members are here actually? Let me know. I will call those guys who had left. On this call now, Amit is there, Navneet, Samir, Shivani is there, Vivekanand. Okay. And the remaining, these are, I think, these are Prime Minister. Okay. Wait. I will call these all. So for CD dot dot, what it will do? Due to double dot, what will be happen? We will
come back.
Yeah.
Previous folder.
Come back to the previous folder. Just wait. Okay, we will come back to the previous folder. So this is the process. Second, what we had? Git command. Which command we had? Just I had shown. Which command that was?
Pull.
Git command. Okay. What was that? Git pull. Okay. What is the use of this one? Git pull fetch what? You can write branch slash latest code from the master slash main branch. Got it? Or any dot? So whatever branches or anything are there, it will pull from there. Okay, means it will pull from the master. We can write that from which branch you want. Suppose that I had created the where is that? Note.txt. Now I saved this file. Let me delete this. This is just okay. Now suppose that I had saved this file and I want to share this file to you. How you will? Nothing I have to do. I will just push this one. Okay, this file. So there are two options for pushing the code. One option, first I showing you. Click on the file. Today I will do with this option only. Tomorrow we will go with the command. Go on the file. After that, where is that file or oh sorry, not file. So for git push, nothing git pull, nothing we have to do. We have to just write git pull command. But for pushing the code, we have to come on this extension, source control, third one. Up to this fine, third one. Okay. After this, there are two stages. One is changes, and one more will be came here after some time. So changes. When you will click on this one by one file, click on index.html. Now see, here this is red color, and here this is green. Okay, is it visible for all?
Sir, your sound
Yes,
is
sir.
not coming proper.
Any issue to others? Sound?
No, sir. No.
Now okay. Now okay. No issue.
Okay. So when you will click on this icon means source control, third icon, and here changes will be there. Okay. And when you will click on one by one file, index.html, see, there are green and here this is red. Red means on main branch there is nothing. Okay, for this file. But in local, these much changes are available. So we can verify whether this is our changes which is reflecting here is correct or not. If correct, okay. Then what we will do? We will just click. See, now the icon. One is open file. Open file means again opening the file. What is this? This is discard changes. Discard changes means it will cancel all the changes. Okay. And it will revert back in the empty pages. Now this is for plus. Plus means this is my final change. I want to push my code. What I will do? I will just click this file. And it will take some time. Now see what I had told. After some time, some folder will come. It came a staged changes. Okay. A staged changes means now this file, whatever changes was there, it is ready to moving into the main branch. Okay. Now two more changes. See, when you opening changes folder, 1 second, let me increase this space. Yeah. Now when we clicking on these changes, then two more file go one by one. So this file, this was previously empty. Now the git command. I will push this also. This is it. Next, one more file. What about this? This got deleted. See, delete icon is there. Means not icon, this strike symbols. So we can click this. Don't think that this got deleted. No need to do that. That's not. You have to do all. After this all becomes in the staged. Now suppose that you had done anything, means you're trying to make any changes in this one, a staged file. Okay, this file. Now see what will happen. Are you getting an error? See, cannot edit. See, if you will do anything, cannot edit in read only editor. Okay, once the changes will be in the staged changes, then you can't do any change in here. So if suppose you have to do any changes, suppose by mistake we had done any mistake, suppose that here I want some comma or commented line, anything, then what I will do? I will just go and again revert back. Click on this. Again, it came in our changes list. Again, I can do, not an issue. Got my point? And now
Yes, sir.
again, I want to write. Now I want to write something. Something I written. After that, just save and click on. After saving, see here some icon means somewhat a scroll bar or something line will be start running, because it going to compare with our main. So it will depend on our net speed. If our net speed is fast, it will fast. Otherwise, somewhat slow. So now again, click on the plus button. Okay, so after clicking on plus, see both have the same changes. Now this is in our local. Now I going to push to the main branch. So what I will do, click here message, write something. What we can write, just give first commit, yeah, or otherwise first changes. Okay, first changes. After this message, you have to click this icon. See, we are one by one step, not an issue. We will go tomorrow also same thing, but this is for overview. So when we click on changes, it will move in the staged. After a stage on the top itself, one message box was there where we can enter the message. After that, come here. This is view as a tree. No need. Click on what is this commit. So we can click on the commit. Okay. After commit, these all changes will be gone. Finish. After that, what we can do? We can click on the publish branch. Okay. Or second option, we can push. Okay. Both things. Directly, simply we can do publish branch. Now it will take some time. And meanwhile, I can go to GitHub and just check whether changes. Okay. So now in the source, this section, there is no any changes. Okay. Now we will verify on our directory whether some changes is there or not. Just let me refresh one more time.
Sir, in
See,
place of
now
publish sync changes are showing in my VS Code.
what? How much is changes?
So in place of publish,
Yeah.
sync changes is
Okay,
showing in.
wait. I telling you. Yeah, I telling you the reason. See now here it's showing that updated 1 minute ago. Who had updated? Name is showing here. Okay, because
Yes.
just now I had just 1 minute. Now these changes will be available in my branch. My branch means which one? This branch only, not in others branch. Okay, so if I will merge this my changes to main, then it will available to all branch. So for merging, I will go to pull request and see compare. Wait, don't worry, these all things slowly we will get. Now create pull request. I want to show you that how we are first pull, second push. That's actually. Now see. Shivani, okay. Share your screen.
Okay, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now sync changes are there. When you will click sync changes,
Yes.
okay, do one thing. Don't click sync change. Okay, you had done that git pull. Okay, fine. Sync changes. Okay, git pull will be fine. Okay, click on sync changes. Okay, click on OK. Just wait.
Yes,
Now
sir.
go to your file. Go to your file. File means first one. Yeah. Explorer.
Which one?
Click that. Click that.
Which one? This one. Okay, sir.
Yeah. First one. Click that. What are the
Yes.
files you getting? Notes.txt. Click on note.txt.
Yes, sir.
What you getting? You getting anything here? Do one
Notes.
thing. Close both index.html and note.txt. Close that file both. Right side on main screen, main window.
Yes, this one.
Top. Wait. Notes.txt line number 1 is there, correct? On
Yes,
top
sir.
that cross button is there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, click that. Yeah, that also. Yeah, and say here your HTML is coming. Index.html. Put cursor there
Yes, sir.
and just click escape key. Keyboard top key. I think maybe it
Yes,
will
sir.
be left. Okay, no issue, left. So now go in Dawn terminal. Go terminal.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
index.html. See, when I will tell you go terminal, terminal means you have to put cursor. Index.html file is now sees in index.html. So you have to put cursor there. Terminal means there. Now
Yes.
you are in that folder. You have to go back. Go back. How to go back?
Sir, CD dot dot.
Yeah, click that. Enter.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you are in that folder. Okay. Do one thing. Now git pull. Git git space pull pull. Hit enter. What is that? Okay, you are in wrong directory. Go one more back. CD dot dot. See, when you will not in the proper directory, you will get that type of message. Now click git pull. Git space pull. Click. You are again not in directory. I don't know in which location you are. Click that bottom, Shivani. Bottom left side.
This
Left side, yeah. Yeah,
this
that
one.
one. Yeah. 1 second. Where is that? Origin, that's okay. How you had done that? Okay, 1 second. Do one thing. Go in that file explorer. Open that file location. Show me file location. I think you have that index.html, that file itself. Where is GitHub? Index.html. Click that. Click that. Open that folder. Where is that Git file? Had you deleted?
No, sir. I'm not deleting anything.
Then how you done that? Click that HTML one. Here also not repository. Because when
No,
you will delete that repository, no, then file will gone. Okay,
no,
close
sir, I'm
this.
not deleting. Yes, sir.
Close that window. Click on
Oh,
Shivani bottom side. Yeah, somebody asking.
अभी भी चल रही है
Don't
क्या? हाँ
don't
यार.
click there. Just click on
ये
bottom.
ये रिकॉर्डिंग का ऑप्शन आ रहा ना
Near
इसमें बीच में ये रेड कलर
Aswin,
का
please mute.
गोल गोल
Aswin,
नीचे देखो लेफ्ट साइड में.
Aswin. See, bottom side. Shivani is there, na? Nearby refresh icon is there. Click that icon. I have to check from which branch. I means where is your repository actually? The push and pull. Okay, click OK. Okay. Just wait. It refreshing your branch. Close this terminal. Terminal. Yeah. Now go on that file explorer. I don't know where that file gone for you. Okay, I will look over you later. No issue. I will
Okay.
tell you. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You can clone the repository again. Okay, same way. That recording is there. You
Yes,
can
sir.
follow up that one and you can do that. So remaining remaining
Okay.
one just and that's okay, pull is there. Okay, tomorrow I will tell that how to push the code, means later in the steps when we will get that, means whatever coding or whatever we will do our practices, so that time I will tell you the pushing steps, not an issue, don't worry. So actually
Okay,
in
sir.
that way we have to means now what we had a study first, when we making changes where it will reflect. Second option, how we will committing that one, correct, how we are committing that changes. When means in the GitHub side, I showing a screen, just 1 second, just 2 minutes, not more. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
when suppose when we doing any type of changes, suppose that just go with file, click this, suppose I had done just these changes. Okay, so after this icon is there one, when I will save, this is going to reflect here, source control, now it came one. Okay, when I going here in the changes section, it's showing, it will compare. Now see, this much changes. Now see, with the help of git lens, what will happen, I showing you. When you will put cursor here, it will show when you had make these changes you second ago. Okay, this one, suppose that when I will put cursor here, now see, it will show that. And when you will put cursor here, it will collapse that icon. Okay, so you will get bigger screen and you can increase or decrease this area. Slowly we will get these all things, don't worry. So when you will put cursor anywhere on this screen, okay, you will get that some warning. See, you 10 minutes ago, see, the everything is reflecting here. Okay, means when you had make changes, who had done everything, we will get here. Suppose that if I showing you, if I will change the branch, suppose I taking Amardeep branch, let's check out. Okay, got it. Not even. Now see, I showing others branch, what he had done or whatever. What happened? So here what we will do, here I going to take the code from that Amardeep branch. Suppose that, just click sync, it will take that. Just let me check whether it's coming or not. I don't know whether it's coming. Yeah, it's came. Now see, if I putting cursor, it's showing that Amardeep Prasad 9 minutes ago merged. Correct? Is it visual for all or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this will be possible only with the help of Git lens. If you had installed Git lens, you can able to see who had make that changes and when. So we can easily identify whether you had practiced that or somebody had practiced. So don't think that we are working or we are getting training remote, so we can do anything. That's not the thing. Okay. So you have to be careful, these all things, because you going to become the developer. You have to be advanced than tester. Okay. Otherwise tester will find out too much bugs. So up to this, I think we can stop the session. And 1 second, let me stop the recording first.